you will come one by one and you will pick one topic and then you will explain on it. Okay, Zian, come and choose your topic.
My topic is the benefit of internet. We can get information very fast. We can buy products online. Internet helps us in studies.
Clap for me. Now Ayan, it's your turn. Come and explain the topic. First choose and then explain it.
My topic name is disadvantages of mobile phone. Eye side effect, health issue, sleep cycle disturb.
Clap for him. Now I will call Abdul Shakur to come and explain your topic.
My topic is my favorite food. My favorite fruit is mango. It is very sweet and delicious fruit. It is very healthy for our health.
Okay, Sufyan, come and choose your topic.
My topic name is my favorite cartoon. My favorite cartoon is Tom and Jerry. It is two characters. One character name is Tom and second character name is Jerry.
For him. Okay, now I call Hijab to come and choose your topic.
My topic is my hobby. My topic is my hobby. My hobby is drawing. I draw beautiful pictures. I have a very good drawing book. My teacher praised me for my drawing. I draw mountains, rivers, birds, houses, and many things. I love my hobby very much.
Okay, go. Clap for her. Go. Okay, now Khansa will come and choose her topic.
My topic is my family. I have wonderful family. I have wonderful family. I live with my family in Islamabad. We help each other. My father is businessman and my mother is plant teacher.
Clap for her. Now I call Zarar to come and choose your topic.
My topic name is choice of career. Our career means what do in life. Some people want to become a doctor, engineer, teacher, etc. But my dream of life is to become a doctor.
Clap for him. Okay, now I will call Abuzar to come and choose the topic and explain. clap for him.